The Tesla Cybertruck has been a giant source of internet debate ever since Elon Musk removed the covers and threw a steel ball at it. It was meant to debut this year, but the factory that's intended to build it remains under construction in Austin, Texas. Instead, Tesla sold Cybertruck-shaped whistles, an excellent second prize if you're a fan. It's the most successful car never to reach production, as the reservations alone are worth billions. In any case, the Cybertruck has been delayed multiple times, and what little we know about it comes straight from Musk's Twitter feed. Recently, we found out it will be equipped with the dreaded yoke steering wheel. The latest batch of info was released in a tweet last week in true Musk style. The most exciting bit of news is the announcement of a quad-motor version. That means each wheel will have its own electric motor, much like a Rimac hypercar. We see this as a direct response to Rivian's R1T, which comes as standard with a 4-motor setup. The advantages of EV off-roading are hard to ignore, even more so when every wheel comes with its own power source. The power output should be insane, considering the Model S Plaid and its tri-motor setup already produce more than 1,000 horsepower. The other new feature is the crab walk, yet another response to a feature that famously made its debut on the upcoming Hummer EV. Incidentally, the Hummer uses a tri-motor setup that produces around 1,000 horsepower, so that the quad-motor Cybertruck could be a direct response to that. In our crazy one-up world, an additional motor could be a huge selling point. Along with the crab walk feature, the Tesla truck will also have rear steering, which will make it much easier to use in town. According to Tesla's website, production will begin in 2022. But then again, empty promises are a Tesla constant. We were under the impression that all engineering had been done and dusted, but here we have some more announcements that directly affect the car's basic structure. The big question is whether the Cybertruck will even be relevant by the time it arrives. Rivian was the first manufacturer to mass-produce an EV truck, and even Ford will beat Tesla to the punch. Musk also stated that the first units would all be quad-motor cars. Do the initial reservations still count for a truck that will likely be more expensive than